wallet, lip balm, tissues, phone. Aww. Focus on what matters, Polly.
Hey, honey, do you have any gum?
Yeah, I think so.
There you go. Oh, I'll never find the keys in. Oh, there they are. Go figure. Mission accomplished. Lila, Shani. Come on, girls, let's... Where's Pax?
Oh, he was right here a second ago.
Based on the evidence, I'd say he's no longer here. No. No, 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 no! Pax! And he snatched my sticky sneaks!
I said it once and I'll say it again. Mad climbing skills, baby.
Go get Boo Boo, I'll get Pax.
But we need to bigify!
Never mind, small it is. Let's go!
You were supposed to feed Paxton the peas, not paint the kitchen with them.
I'm the big sister. Pax has to listen to me.
You have to listen to Pax, too.
If you can see where he's coming from, you can connect with him.
He's uncontrollable.
Good evening, Polly.
Miss Mentz.
And my darling Smidgen says hello. Oh, hi, Miss Mentz. We didn't hear you come in. Polly, you won't have to worry about Pax tonight. Miss Mentz will be watching you while we go out for dinner.
But I like going out to dinner, too.
Sorry, Pumpkin. It's date night. Thanks for watching them, Emma.
The pleasure is all mine. All right, young lady. You should be doing your homework and...
Are you ready, Polly?
Coming, Lila.
I think not.
But Mom said I could help Lila with her new dog walking business.
Well, then, it seems only right. Yes! It seems only right that this fledgling entrepreneur walk my Smidgen. If you finished your homework by the time she returns, I'll consider letting you out to socialize.
But my homework's not due until...
No buts! I'm the babysitter, and you'll do as I say. Now, to your room, and you'd better not come out that door till I say so.
See you soon, Polly.
Huh?
You guys distract Grizel. I'll get them to shut down the Whopper Whirler.
We shall come out of hiding now. That appalling, unfashionable woman is gone.
There!
You have to shut down the ride. There's a loose screw.
Ha! The only thing here with a loose screw is you, kid. This part of some shorty pants plan to get on the ride while I'm not looking?
No, I'm serious. The whole thing is gonna collapse.
Like I'm gonna believe a kid knows more about coasters than me. Now scram, ding-dong, or I'll call security.
Where did those rugrats go?
Now!
Tastes like pond. Swampy. Come on, Grandma, pick up. I need you to call Wacky World and tell them there's something wrong with the coaster. They won't believe me because I'm too... He thinks I'm too little, but he underestimates how little I can be. Tiny power! Rail 64C of Quadrant Q. Oh no!
Gotcha, pipsqueaks!
This is amazing!
What the?
Over there!
If my plan works, she'll be here soon. When I say go, you release the trap. Got it?
Yep. When you say grow, I release the trap.
Oh, not grow. Go. Go. Go.
Okay.
Oh, Gwen, get this off of me! No!
Yeah! Way to fly, Blue! Girls!
What's up, Polly?
We are going to see Melody! What? No!
Say it isn't so.
We'll have to call a tow truck.
But the Melody cruise leaves soon. We'll never make it. There's always a way.
What do you have up your sleeve?
Not up my sleeve, in my backpack.
A toy?
Not anymore. I made a few mods and voila! So, what do you think? I think you should watch the road. Sidewalk. Sewer crate! Oh, I know a shortcut.
Look, there's the ship!
Are you sure this is a good idea, Polly? There's no choice. We have to save Baby Bird.
Whoa. This is seriously freaky.
Lions and tigers and gnomes? Oh my!
Incredible. Even her dolls need makeovers.
Imagine if she had your locket. All those miniatures would be made from real people. Won't happen. She's not getting my locket, and she's not getting my bird. My bird! No sign of the Grandes. Let's move! Excuse me. Sorry.
Ew. Eek.
Shh. We'll get you out of here. Don't worry. I love you too, but we have to run! I have the flamingos, Gigi! That miniature looks just like my new baby bird. That one looks just like... Huh, Gigi must have gotten a Polly Pocket figure for her collection. Yes!
Yes, progressive rock band from...
Genie, shh! Pocket time? Wait, what? Whoa! What in the world?
Polly has left the room. Set Maker Station to away mode. As you wish, Polly.
Genie, search for what to do when you shrink to 4 inches tall.
Query does not compute.
You're telling me. Oof! The locket! Go big? What?
They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. But now you're feeling like a different ending. Sometimes you gotta find it on your